Let no one doubt that this is a difficult and dangerous effort.
Liberty-loving people everywhere march with you.
The path we have chosen is full of hazards.
Our home fronts have given us an overwhelming superiority in weapons and munitions of war.
The cost of freedom is always high, but Americans have always paid it.
The tide has turned. The free men of the world are marching together to victory.
Our goal is not the victory of might, but the vindication of right.
We will accept nothing less than full victory. Good luck, and let us all beseech the blessing of Almighty God upon this great and noble undertaking.
God willing, that goal will be achieved. Thank you, and good night.